Welcome back to a new video, friends. Today we are going to talk about how to off save location info in camera setting, guys. How can you off save location info in camera setting Redmi 10 phone? How to off? Today I am going to tell you about this setting. So let's start video, friends. First of all, open your camera, and guys, if you need my channel, so please go and subscribe my channel and like my videos. Now let's start video, friends. First of all, friends, click on these three options, and guys, setting option we will have to click, and after that, guys, you can see save location info. You want to off, guys, then off. Save location info has offed. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video, guys. I hope you have understood how to save location info in Redmi 10 phone camera setting. So thank you for watching my video, guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before, guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye, friends.